Hey everybody, Linus here. Thinking about ditching Windows or macOS? You're not alone. More and more people are making the switch to Linux, and for good reason. First off, Linux is open source. That means the code is freely available, and anyone can contribute to its development. This leads to incredible stability, security, and a vibrant community always eager to help. Second, Linux distros are incredibly versatile. Whether you're a gamer, a developer, or just someone who wants a fast and reliable operating system, there's a flavor of Linux out there for you. And let's not forget about the cost savings. Most Linux distributions are completely free to use, so you can say goodbye to those hefty Windows licenses. But with so many options, choosing the right distro can be daunting. Today, we'll be comparing two popular choices, Zorin OS and Pop! OS. Both are known for their user-friendliness, making them great options for Linux newcomers. Let's dive in. First up, we have Zorin OS. This distro is all about easing the transition from Windows. If you're coming from a Windows background and feeling a little apprehensive, Zorin OS is like a warm, familiar hug. The desktop layout will instantly feel comfortable, with a taskbar, start menu, and system tray that closely resemble Windows. Zorin OS even comes with a handy software that helps you run many of your favorite Windows programs directly on your Linux machine. But Zorin OS isn't just about mimicking Windows. It offers different desktop layouts to choose from, including one that looks strikingly similar to macOS. This flexibility makes it a great choice for users who want options without sacrificing user-friendliness. Now let's talk about Pop! OS, developed by System76, a company known for its powerful Linux-based laptops and desktops. Pop! OS takes a different approach to user-friendliness, focusing on a clean, minimalist design that's all about boosting your productivity. Built on top of the popular GNOME desktop environment, Pop! OS offers a distraction-free workspace with intuitive keyboard shortcuts and workspaces that let you organize your applications efficiently. It's like having a tidy, organized desk but for your computer. One of the standout features of Pop! OS is its Pop! Shell extension. This powerful tool allows for advanced window tiling and keyboard-driven workflows, making it a favorite among developers and power users. But fear not, casual users can also appreciate the sleek design and snappy performance. So, which one comes out on top? Both Zorin OS and Pop! OS offer excellent performance and a solid selection of pre-installed software. They also have thriving communities that are incredibly helpful for troubleshooting and getting the most out of your system. Zorin OS shines with its Windows-like familiarity and compatibility, making it a great choice for those brand new to Linux. Pop! OS, on the other hand, excels in its minimalist design and productivity-focused features, appealing to users who want a clean and efficient workflow. Ultimately, the best distro for you depends on your individual needs and preferences. Want that familiar Windows feel? Go with Zorin OS. Craving a sleek and productive desktop environment? Pop! OS is your winner, so there you have it. No matter which one you choose, switching to Linux is a great way to take control of your computing experience. Now go out there and explore the amazing world of Linux, and be sure to let me know in the comments which distro you prefer and why.